Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Not far today though, because this is the hotel design, or the design hotel. There's quite a few hotels around here. This is maybe 10-15 minutes from the airport. And if you've watched the last video, you'd know I stayed here because she was in customs at the airport, Libby. And I got her out yesterday. So now it's an hour into the actual city of Kuala Lumpur. So I'm going to Sunway. If you look back at my first Kuala Lumpur video, I think it's called "Do They Let Me Across the Singapore Border?" I stayed in Sunway. Amazing, lots of really good food, restaurants, and my niece Emily, she's staying maybe 15 minutes from there with her boyfriend's family. So in a couple of hours, maybe 2.5 hours from now, I'm having an early lunch with them. I'm a bit excited, guys, but I'm going to get on the road. I've got about an hour into Sunway, so let's do it. Back in Sunway, guys. You'll remember from when I went to Singapore and wasn't sure if they'd let me across the border because they thought I was unvaccinated. Do they let me into Singapore, the name of the video. I think I stayed here at the M&M Hotel, and I watched that video yesterday to get the name of the hotel again so I could stay the same place. This is the tattoo that I got. This tattoo, this one here. And I was so happy in that video, smiling and grinning. Now I'm remembering why, guys. I love Southeast Asia, really. And here it's just this whole street is restaurants. Just amazing. I'm really very happy to be back in Southeast Asia. Guys, if you did watch the Do I Get Into Singapore video, you might remember that about 6:30 in the morning in KL, I was wandering the streets looking for some breakfast. And this is where I was, guys. So I had a cup of coffee then, but I'm going to have a cup of tea now. It's a bit later in the day, and I don't want to eat anything because I meet Emily in maybe an hour. So yeah, I'm just killing some time. I can't get my hotel room, like I said. It's a 2 o'clock check-in, and they're a bit strict on that here. So all my gear's there, it's all safe. In maybe half an hour or so, I'll jump on the bike and go to where Emily is. I'm excited, guys, really. I was watching that video and realised how happy I was in Southeast Asia. And here I am back again. I'm very, very happy. And guys, this is Anita. She was nice enough to get me my room. It's only not even 10:30 yet. She's got my room ready already. So thank you very much, Anita. Makes life a lot easier than having to wait till 2 o'clock. And nobody's complained about me parking on the pavement, so she should be all right there, shouldn't she? My motorbike be all right there? No. Good one. Well, guys, if you've been following me since through the Bali to Manila videos, I got the tattoo that Kelly did for me. This one, it got quite infected in Borneo. And I just went and visited Kelly then, not for any reason except to say hello. And I apologised to her for letting it get infected. She said, oh, that can't be helped. Where it's placed, that sort of thing happens. And she said, I'd like to touch it up. And I said, well, if you want to. And she said, yes, I really would like to. And I said, well, in my country, touch-ups are free. And she said, yes, of course it's free. So I go back at 4 o'clock. It's about 2 o'clock now. I'll go back at 4 o'clock, get this tattoo. Sunway's still going off. So I just thought I'd come for a wander. I'm not really very hungry. I had a nice curry. Thought I'd come out and see what Sunway is like at night time. KFC across the road. Very, very busy. Well, I wandered across the freeway. And this is still considered Sunway, I think, but it's The district's called Shah Alam. It's very quiet. I think this is a bit more of a nighttime suburb. But I'm going to have a bit of a wander around, see, then head back to the real Sunway. Skating in the middle of Kuala Lumpur Sunway. I went actually down to that level yesterday to have a look, and it's lovely and cool down there. So it'd be a nice place to go on a warm day. But for now, I'm just on the hunt for some food. I've got a craving for some Portuguese tarts, or egg tarts we call them in Australia. And they've got a place that makes really nice ones around here. And they do have a deal in the morning where if you buy 3, you get 3 for free. So let's hope I'm there early enough. Then I can give a couple to the staff at the hotel. And I can have a couple for myself. Well, the world's so mean to me, guys. Every time I've been in this shopping centre, I've just sort of walked in a direction and walked straight to the egg tart place, the Portuguese tart place. And it's where it overlooks, I showed you in the last video, the wave pool and the water park and everything, the pyramid, Sunway Pyramid Water Park. Now that I want it, I can't find it. Oh well, the world is cruel. Well, in 2 days, I've emptied 2 7-Eleven fridges of their soda water. But luckily, I already know there's another one around the corner here. So I can get some more soda water. And yes, nighttime in Sunway again, guys. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I was going to start riding to Thailand tomorrow, but I want to give this tattoo time to scab up a bit, so I booked an extra night. So it'll be more food. I ate so much food today, guys, and now I want more food, but I'm full. But I'm going to get a snack here when I get the soda water. Having roti, coffee. I did order eggs, but they brought out the eggs. They were still all sloppy and raw, so I sent them back. Just having roti. Delicious though, guys. I'm going to get fat again, being back in Malaysia, Indonesia. Such good food. Well, today's just a nothing day. I might... The Kawasaki shop's about an hour from here. I've lost my headlights again, second time. So I think I might today go and get them done, but it's on the way out of town, so I could get it done tomorrow morning on the way out. I'll see how I feel for the rest of the day. I'm in no hurry, guys. I've got 4 weeks exactly till I go home, just for a break. I think I'm going home for about 3 weeks this time. Oh, I'm going to get fat, guys. So much good food here. I just had breakfast and I'm into the main shopping centre to maybe get some more food. I might even get some more egg tarts, Portuguese tarts if they're open. And now I'm sad if they're not open. That's alright. There's so much food here. I won't starve. Well, guys, now I'm a little bit stressed. I've emptied all the 7-Elevens of soda water in the last couple of days. None left. So I'm going to have to find another 7-Eleven that I haven't raided yet. Oh guys, this storm is unbelievable, and it must have been right over my head, because even in my room, the thunder hurt my ears. It was so loud. It was like it was right above my head. But that's what you get travelling in Southeast Asia this time of year. I said in the last video, I think I'm not very good at judging which times of year to travel anywhere, but I did get it right for Ladakh and northern Pakistan. The weather was perfect. So that's... Hello! Well, I can't believe how much food I ate the last couple of days. Oh, but amazing food. Really, I can't wait to come back here again, which will be, I've got 4 weeks till I go home for 3 weeks. So I'll be back here in about 3.5 weeks, eat more amazing food, but I'm going to Thailand, so the food's going to be equally as good there, if not better. Yeehaw. But I've got plenty of footage to make a video, guys, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.